You must be thinking, why do we have the F77 in another walk-around video? But this is not your regular Mark II. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to autoX. This is the F77 SuperStreet, a more street-friendly version of the F77 that company has recently introduced at an ex-showroom price of Rs 2.99 lakh. That is the introductory price for the base variant, but this is the recon version of the motorcycle, which costs about a lakh rupees extra than the standard. Now, while the motorcycle looks exactly similar to the F77, there is an essential change to the motorcycle, which is in the riding geometry. So, Ultraviolette says that this one offers a more upright riding positions for longer rides and street use. So this one, the Recon version, comes with the same 10.3 kWh battery, offering a range of over 300 kilometers. The standard version comes with a 7.1 kWh battery, which offers a range of over 200 kilometers. Of course, the range has been increased slightly by about 20 kilometers to each model. And apart from that, the performance remains the same. It offers 40 horsepower and 100 Nm of torque, and it claims a 0 to 60 km/h sprint time of 2.8 seconds. And to reach from 0 to 100, it takes about 7.7 seconds. Top speed of the motorcycle remains 155 km/h, but the essential change, which is the handlebar, that has gone through a lot of changes to the supporting members as well. So here you can see there is a new upper triple clamp over here. There is a riser and a new bridge. Here is a new clamp for the instrument cluster as well. And this is a new part as well. It is a wind deflector that Ultraviolette says will reduce the wind buffeting for riders and will also improve the aerodynamic efficiency of this motorcycle. Ultraviolette says the setup is that good that they didn't feel to change anything in the motorcycle. So the suspension is the same, the brakes are the same, and even the tires remains the same. So these are dual compound tires from MRF 110/70 section at the front, 150/60 section radial at the rear. Now in terms of features, it carries the 10 level region as well as 4 level traction control from the F77. So it gets the dynamic region control that you can access through these buttons directly here on the handlebar. So you can reduce the region by pressing this button on the left, and you can increase it similarly by pressing this button on the right. Apart from that, the traction control modes are divided into 4. It increases from level 1 to level 3, and you can completely shut it off in the 0 mode. There's a new feature called dynamic stability control, which essentially makes a communication between the region system and the ABS of this motorcycle. The ABS is also divided between 2 modes. One is dual, one is mono. So in dual, as the name suggests, both front and rear ABS will work simultaneously, while in mono, just the front ABS will work and the rear ABS will be disengaged. For now, this is all we can tell you about the F77 SuperStreet. We will be dropping our first ride report of this motorcycle on February 6. Until then, let us know if you have any other query about this motorcycle in the comment section. If you like the video, please subscribe to autoX to never miss such interesting updates.